prove that root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A plus root of 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A equal to 2 cosec A. Okay, 2 cosec A. Okay, look at here. Root of 1 minus root of 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A plus root of 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A equal to 2 cosec A. Okay, this one, two methods there is. One method is you did last class, you did simplify this one and adding. Okay, otherwise, hello, method number 1, you can follow what we did last class, simplify this one and simplify this one, and just adding, we get this answer. Okay, I have another method. Listen here. This also listen. I can write this one. Look, more easy way. That's up to you. You decide it. 1 minus cos A okay, 1 minus cos A divided by root of 1 plus cos A plus root of 1 plus cos A divided by root of 1 minus cos A. Like this you write. Okay. Then LCM is listen, LCM is root of 1 plus cos A into root of 1 minus cos A. I'm writing in one within one root. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Then this full going to here, that is 1 minus cos A plus this is 1 plus cos A. Are you okay now? This one will be root of 1 minus cos A whole square. That means 1 minus cos A. This is going to here 1 plus cos A whole square. That means 1 plus cos A equal to cos A cancel. 2 divided by, look at here, root of 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is what? Root of 1 minus cos square A. Okay. 2 divided by 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Root of sin square A is sin A. So that means 2 by sin A means 2 cosec A. Is it okay? You want to follow this one? Okay. One thing, listen. You remember, no? Root of last class we discussed root of a minus b whole square is a minus b. Root of a square minus b square not equal to a minus b. Okay. So like that here. Look at here. Once again, I'll explain to you this. Latecomers, listen. Once again, I'll explain to you this question. Okay. So you can you have two methods. There is one method is you can follow the last class we discussed. Okay. Look at here. You know, root of a by b. You can write root of a divided by root of b. This we need. Okay. Then that idea here using here. Look, root of 1 minus cos A divided by root of 1 plus cos A plus root of 1 plus cos A divided by root of 1 minus cos A. This is step clear or not? I hope you clear all this step. Root of just numerator and denominator separate. Okay. Then LCM is root of actually 1 plus cos A into root of 1 minus cos A. Okay. Then this one going to here. So root of 1 minus cos A whole square plus root of 1 plus cos A whole square. I'm writing here all the steps. You can reduce the steps according to your idea. Okay. Then we know that root of 1 minus cos A whole square is 1 minus cos A plus root of 1 plus cos A whole square is 1 plus cos A. Okay. This one root of in one root 1 minus cos square A. That is cos A minus cos A cancel. 2 divided by root of sine square A. That is equal to 2 by sine A equal to 2 cosec A. Okay, clear now? Okay, so listen here. Those who are not getting, you can follow last class how we did this one. You did this one as add it. Okay, do first now. Okay, come, finalize first. Okay. Okay. It's clear now? Hello, is it okay? You follow this method or? Okay, okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay, you can follow previous method. The last class, what you did, you simplify this one, and add it, or you can follow this method. Okay, that is up to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, completed.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, so next question, same type another question. Okay. Root of 1 plus sine theta, root of 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta plus root of 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta equal to 2 sec theta. 2 sec theta.
Sir, is equal to
2 sec theta. Okay. Samit, why you late?
Sir, data was off.
Eh?
Sir, I'm in the village, so like no
Okay.
current.
Okay, try this one first. Exactly same. I want to explain this question because exactly previous question just for a practice. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, finish. I think all finished. Anyway, look at here how to do this one.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay, I'll wait. You follow exactly previous step. South, finish. No.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Done, sir.
Okay. Look, that's not getting, look at here. I'm just writing this one, root of 1 plus sine theta divided by root of 1 minus sine theta plus root of 1 minus sine theta divided by root of 1 plus sine theta. Okay. Then LCM is root of 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta. This is coming here 1 plus sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta. Cancel 2 divided by root of 1 minus sine square theta. That is 2 divided by cos theta. 2 divided by cos theta. Listen, if you are smart, you can directly write here. You can avoid this line directly cos theta. Okay. But if you are smart, then only you can try that. Okay. So finish all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you don't want to try again.
Sir, almost done.
Okay. Okay. I'll wait. Okay. So you want one more?
Supposed to be 2 by sine theta.
2 by this one.
No, the next one.
1 minus sine square theta is what? Hmm?
Cos theta.
No. 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta. Then you study first that. Then only can follow. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Root of cos square theta is cos theta. Okay.
sir.
Without by hearting all the identities, you cannot do this one. Okay. Abhiram, you got no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one. Cos raised to 4a minus cos square a equal to sine raised to 4a minus sine square a. Okay. Cos raised to 4a minus cos square a equal to sine raised to 4a minus sine square a. Okay, I'll give a hint. The hint is, look at the LHS, only cos. RHS is what? Sine. So we change cos and sine, sorry, cos square, all cos converted to sine. Then we will get the RHS. Okay, try it out. Idea understood now? Listen, in the question itself, we can understand. This all cos raised to 4a, cos square a, you are converted to sine. Okay, try it. Okay, everybody got? Hello, everybody got or not? Okay, look. Anaga, you got? Hello, everybody got? And
Sir, I'm working on it.
okay, okay. Okay. Okay, I'll give you 2 more minutes. Okay, nobody got? Look at here. What is the common here? No. Cos raised to 4a minus cos square a. What is the common?
Sir, cos square A.
Cos square a. Cos square a common. Okay, here cos square a minus 1. This step clear now? I took cos square a common. So cos raised from cos raised to 4a, cos square a gone, cos square a minus 1. Now simple. You can cos square a 1 minus sin square a. Cos square a 1 minus sin square a minus 1. Cancel. Okay, open. 1 into minus sin square a minus sin square a plus minus into minus plus sin raised to 4a equal to RHS. Simplify. Very simple. Okay. Now clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So that, see,
Can you
is that
explain that part again?
no, which part? Which
So the 1 minus sin square a.
one? That's why I told you, first you study that.
The third line.
1 minus sin square is what?
That's cos square theta.
See,
Cos square a.
listen. Cos square a, cos raised to 4a minus cos square. What is the common? Cos raised to 4a minus cos square a.
Cos,
What is the common?
cos square a.
Cos square a. Cos square a
And
gone.
the RHS.
Listen, this is cos square a minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Instead of cos square a, I wrote 1 minus sin square a.
Yes.
Again, this cos square a also 1 minus sin square a.
Okay.
Then minus 1.
I don't get why is there 2 ones? So
2?
2 ones.
2 why?
No, I'm like there's 1 minus sin square
Uh,
a minus 1. Why is there 2 ones? No.
Cos square a is 1 minus sin square a, right?
Yes.
Minus 1 here.
Yes.
So this plus 1 minus 1 cancel.
Okay.
Okay. Then 1 into minus sin square a minus sin square a. Minus sin square a into minus sin square sin raised to 4.
Oh wait, you're substituting.
I just multiplied.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you should by heart this all sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. 1 minus sin square a cos square a. 1 minus cos square a sin square a. 1 plus tan square a 6 square a. 6 square a minus tan square a 1. Tan square a equal to 6 square a minus 1. 1 plus cot square a cos square a. Then cos square a minus cot square a 1. This is all you got by heart. Then only come to your mind. Tia, clear or not this one?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So
Yes,
next
sir.
question. Next question. You remember in polynomial, we studied one identity, alpha square plus beta square. What is that? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, right?
Yes, sir.
Polynomial, we applied this one. Okay, anyway, write again. Alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, also write this also we need alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. This also we need. Alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. This is not a new, you already learned alpha plus beta whole cube. That's only, okay. This all keep in a box, okay. Kevin, last class not you check no in video. Okay, because it's continuation of last class. Okay, now I'm going to write the question. It's not a question. This is just an identity. Okay, look at here. The question is prove that. It's also star question. Sine raised to 6a. Sine raised to 6a plus cos raised to 6a. Cos raised to 6a equal to sine raised to 6a plus cos raised to 6a equal to 1 minus 3 sine square a cos square a. Sine raised to 6a plus cos raised to 6a equal to 1 minus 3 sine square a cos square a. Okay, try this one. Okay, you can use any of the identity. Okay. Okay. Everybody got? So you have to try yourself. Otherwise, every question we cannot explain. And also you have to try yourself some questions. Okay. Anybody got? You follow this identity here, this one. Then you will get it. US3, you got?
Doing.
Okay. I'll give a hint. The hint is instead of sine raised to 6a, you write sine square a whole cube. This one we can write sine square a whole cube plus cos square a whole cube. Correct or no? Sine raised to 6a, we can write sine square a whole cube. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Now, a what? Sorry, alpha is sine square a. Beta is cos square a. Sine square a plus cos square a whole cube minus 3 sine square a cos square a into sine square a plus cos square a. Okay, clear now? Look, once again, sine raised to 6a, we can write sine square a whole cube. Cos raised to 6a, we can write cos square a whole cube. Which form? Alpha cube plus beta cube form, where alpha is sine square a, beta is cos square a. Alpha plus beta, sine square a plus cos square a whole cube minus 3 alpha beta, 3 sine square a cos square a into sine square a plus cos square a. Okay, what is this one? 1. 1 minus 3, this is also 1. 3 sine square a cos square a equal to RHS. See, only small one line, you'll get 4 marks this one. Okay. So 4 mark question. Okay. Okay, finish all. Aisha, finish? Okay. Het. First of all, you check this for identity. Alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. That's clear or not? Okay. Sine raised to 6a. Sine raised to 6a, we can write sine square a whole cube. That agree or not? No, het. Sine raised to 6a, I wrote sine square a whole cube. So 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Here also cos square a whole cube. Okay. That means this is this form. Alpha cube plus beta cube form. Alpha is sine square a. Beta is cos square a whole cube. Minus 3 sine square a cos square a into alpha plus beta sine square a plus cos square a. And we know that sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 minus 3 sin square A cos square A. Again 1. This is also 1. The answer what? 1 minus 3 sin square A cos square. Just one line. Okay. Shweta, it's clear or not? Shifana.
Yes, sir.
Sarah Arshad, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one. Sanyukta, clear or not? Okay. Next question. Next one, you try sine raised to 4a. Sine raised to 4a plus cos raised to 4a equal to 1 minus 3 sine square a cos square a. Okay. Sine raised to 4a. Next question. Sine raised to 4a. Sine raised to 4a. Sine raised to 4a. Sine raised to 4a minus, sorry, sine raised to 4a plus cos raised to 4a equal to 1 minus 3 sine square a cos square a. 1 minus 3 sine square a cos square a. Okay. Listen, sine raised to 4a plus cos raised to 4a equal to 1 minus, not 3. 1 minus 2 sine square a cos square. 1 minus 2 sine square a cos square. Okay. Okay. Okay, no problem, Nikita. Okay. Okay. So already are recording, so you can check later. Okay. Okay, finish. Daksh, finish or not?
No, sir.
Okay. Sana, finish.
No, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. So look at here, this one. Sine square A whole square plus cos square A whole square. Okay. So that is alpha square plus beta square. Alpha is sine square A plus cos square A whole square minus 2 sine square A cos square A. Okay. Then look at here, sine raised to 4a, we can write sine square A whole square. Then this is cos square A whole square. So alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This is 1. 1 minus 2 sine square A cos square A. Okay. This is also 4-mark question. Okay. Okay. Write fast. Okay. So next one. So next week, next Sunday onwards, you have test. Abhiram, every Sunday at 9 o'clock, there is a test, live test. Okay. Only 1 or 2 questions that week. Okay. So you have to prepare for that. Every Sunday, 9 o'clock, we have a test. I think we, how many tests already we finish? Last test number. Anyone remember last test number? What? 6th June, I think. Yes. 13 tests is over. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So next one, right? If sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1, sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Show that cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta equal to 1. Okay. Listen, sine theta, this is a condition. If sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1, show that cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta equal to 1. Okay. I think I better I'll show this question. It's a new type question. Okay. Listen now. I'll show this one. Okay. Here one condition is there. This is the condition. Okay. Look at here. Done right now. Sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. So that means sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, 1 minus sin square theta is what? 1 minus sin square theta is what?
Cos square theta.
Cos square theta equal to cos square theta. Okay. Then squaring on both sides. Listen, squaring on both sides. Side that means sin theta equal to cos square theta. Squaring on both sides, we get sin square theta equal to cos raised to 4 theta. This is number one. Hey, once again, look, this part is given sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So sin theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Okay. So then squaring on both sides, sin square theta equal to cos raised to 4 theta. Okay. Now this result go to here. What happened? Cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta equal to cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to sin square theta. And we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Copy. Okay. Okay. So Kadir, take another net, this one, Airtel or which net is good in your area? There is that area, there is a rocket net, there is rocket or something. Okay. Okay, so next question. Next one. Right. Tan square theta plus cot square theta. Tan square theta plus cot square theta. Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 equal to 6 square theta into cosec square theta. 6 square theta into cosec square theta. Okay. Listen, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 equal to 6 square theta into cosec square theta. Okay. I'll give you time to try yourself. Okay. Tell me, anyone get this answer? Okay. Okay. Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 equal to 2 sec square theta into cosec square theta.
Done, sir. Well,
Okay. So you have a doubt? Hello. So look at here. This side is sec, cosec. Tan square theta is what? Tan square theta is 6 square theta minus 1. Correct or no? No. Tan square theta is
Yes,
6
sir.
square theta minus 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta minus 1 plus 2. Okay. We see now we change to tan, we change to sec. Cot we change to cosec because we need that. RHS is sec and cosec. This is cancelled. So what we got now? 6 square theta plus cosec square theta. Not finished. Why? Because here is into, here is plus. What will do? We did this step. We did last class. We did one question. 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sine square theta. That is LCM sine square theta plus cos square theta. Sine square theta into cos square theta. That is, this is 1 by sine square theta into 1 by cos square theta. 1 by sine square theta is cosec square theta. 1 by cos is sec square theta. Okay, copy first. So now I'll do, listen, check today's, how many questions today finished? Check all the today's questions. If you doubt, tell me. Otherwise, after that, I'll continue. Okay, check today's questions all. How many questions finished today?
Sir, 7.
Okay, these 7 questions.
7.
I'll give you time. Okay, 5 minutes I'll give you. Just go through 7 questions. If you have any doubts, tell me.
So, so
read.
can you explain the second part of the step?
No, same thing. Which question?
Yes, sir. Second part.
Okay, you reach You reach this one, you got it,
Sir,
right?
the same question.
Okay. Look at here and again.
Yes, sir.
Look at here the LHS. LHS is tan and cot. RHS is sec and cosec. So instead of tan square theta, I wrote sec square theta minus 1. Cot square theta, I can write cosec square theta minus 1 plus 2. So minus 1 plus 2, that cancel all. Sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Up to here, clear or not? No.
Yes, sir.
Then sec square theta is 1 by cos square theta. Cosec square theta is 1 by sin square theta. Okay. Then LCM. Cos square theta into sin square theta. LCM. Sin square theta going here. Cos square theta going here. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta cos square theta. So 1 by sin square theta, 1 by cos square theta. So 1 by sin square theta is cosec square theta. 1 by cos square theta is sec square theta. Okay. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Every question, check it. Maybe you are late, your net issues. Check this 7 question. After that, only I continue the next questions. Each and every question, check. Okay, finished? Okay, so no doubt, right? Did you check?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all the 7 questions. Okay, so because next so Sunday the test is this all included. Okay, so next question, right? Next is right, x equal to r sine a cos c, y equal to r sine a sine c, z equal to r cos a. Prove that x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Okay. Everything is here. Look, you should try this one. Look, x equal to r sine a cos c, y equal to r sine a sine c, z equal to r cos a. Show that x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Okay, try this.
Sir, is equal to
R square. Okay, x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Okay. Okay. Simple. X square you find out, y square you find out, z square you find out. Just add, you will get it. Everything cancel, you will get r square. Abhiram, getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyone finish? Anybody got? Okay. Anaga, you finish or not? Okay. Look at here. It's a very simple. Look. X square, what we get? R square sine square A cos square C plus R square sine square A sine square C plus R square cos square A. This step, check this line. Right? I just square R square sine square A cos square C plus R square sine square A sine square C plus R square cos square A. Okay. Now, see, look at here. This is common here, right? R square sine square A here, R square sine square I took outside. R square sine square A outside, cos square C plus sine square C plus R square cos square A. Look at here once again. X equal to R sine A cos C. Y equal to R sine A sine C. Z equal to R cos A. X square R square sine square A cos square C plus R square sine square A sine square C plus R square cos square A. Okay. From here I took R square sine square outside. Then sine cos square C plus sine square C plus R square cos square. What is this one? Sine square C plus cos square C is what? No. Sine square C plus cos square C, how much? 1. Okay. So
1.
that is sine square A plus, sorry, R square sine square A plus R square cos square A. Because this is 1. So now R square outside into sine square A plus cos square A. So that is equal to R square. Look. Because sine, again, sine square plus cos square 1, that is equal to R square. Okay, copy first. Okay, so next one. Next question. Okay, sine theta plus tan theta, sine theta plus sine theta plus sine theta plus tan theta equal to m. Sine theta plus tan theta equal to m. Sine theta plus tan theta equal to m. Then tan theta minus sine theta equal to n. Show that m square minus n square equal to 4 root of mn. M square minus n square equal to 4 root of mn. Okay, listen here. This is type 2 questions. Okay, not like so far we did questions. Look here, sine theta plus tan theta equal to m, because your tan theta minus sine theta equal to n. Show that m square minus n square, m square minus n square equal to 4 root of mn. 4 root of mn. Okay, look at here. I'll give a hint. You have m, you have n, square it, subtract, you get something. Hey, hello, listen. You have m, you have n, you find out m square separately, n square separately, then subtract, you'll get something. Keep it there. Then you find out mn. Find mn, then multiply by 4, you'll get the RHS equal to LHS. Plan understood or not? Hello, the plan
Yes,
is,
sir.
the plan, once again, the plan is first you find out m square, just like a plus b whole square, then a minus b whole square, subtract, you'll get something, keep it there with you. Okay, then you find mn, m into n, simplify, root, find the root, then you'll get exactly what you got, LHS, you will get it. Okay, this part, if you want, I'll help you. This part you should try. LHS, you should try. RHS, I'll help you. Okay, do it now. Okay, try now. Okay. So, are you getting now? LHS is up. LHS supposed to get. Okay. RHS I'll do it. Okay. Nobody finished the LHS. Everybody got LHS? Arth, you finished LHS? Ishwant, Yasri, Kadir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Doing, sir.
Okay, well, wait. LHS symbol. Listen. A plus B whole square. A minus B whole square. Then add it, you'll get LHS. Something with the 4. Okay. You got M square minus N square is minus 2A. Wrong. Said Muhammad. So that means you have no idea about A plus. Look at here. M square minus N square. M square minus N square. I'm directly writing. Sine theta plus tan theta whole square minus tan theta minus sine theta whole square, right? Okay, f sine square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sine theta tan theta minus tan square theta plus sine square theta minus 2 tan theta sine theta. Okay, so here open the bracket. Sine square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sin theta tan theta minus tan square theta minus sin square theta plus 2 tan theta sin theta. Okay, this is all cancelled. So what you got? 4 sin theta tan theta. Okay, who all got this? LHS is 4 tan theta sin theta.
Sir, I got. Sir, I got.
And then we got within.
Sir, I got.
Okay. See, look at here, very simple. No, just m. Listen, m equal to sin theta plus tan theta. So m square is what? Sin square theta. Okay. Listen, m equal to sin theta plus tan theta. So m square sin square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sin theta tan theta. After that, n square is tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 tan theta sin theta. We subtract, we get sin and tan cancel. We got 4 sin theta tan theta. Okay. Copy up to here. That's not getting. Okay. Then I go to RHS. That I'll do it. Okay. So next, now I'm going to check the RHS. Look at here, RHS. I will show this one. Look, mn equal to tan theta minus tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta, right? Hello, mn equal to tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta. That is tan square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Okay. Tan square theta we can write sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Once again, look, you have to find out mn. M is tan theta plus sin theta. N is tan theta minus sin theta. So tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta equal to tan square theta minus sin square theta. Tan square theta is sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, LCM is sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Okay, LCM I took. Then sin square theta minus sin square theta cos square theta. We can take sin square theta outside, 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Okay. Now sin square theta by cos square theta tan square theta into 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. Okay. Look at here. This is start from mn. So we need 4 root of mn. What is that? 4 only there into root of mn. Mn is tan square theta sin square theta. That means tan theta sin theta. So LHS we got 4 tan theta sin theta. RHS also got 4 tan theta sin theta. Okay, check now. So after getting the LHS, go to RHS, check again. Tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta. That is tan square theta minus sin square theta. Tan square theta is sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then LCM. Okay. Check the board before writing. This is not an easy question. It's a star question. Okay. If not getting asked, the second RHS simplification. Okay. 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 So next question. This is the, today's last question, right? If A cos theta plus B sin theta, if A cos theta plus B sin theta equal to M, B sin theta equal to M, then A sin theta minus B cos theta equal to N. Prove that M square plus N square equal to A square plus B square. Prove that M square plus N square equal to A square plus B square. Look at here. M equal to A cos theta. M equal to A cos theta plus B sin theta. N equal to A sin theta minus B cos theta. Prove that M square plus N square equal to A square plus B square. I'll give the hint. Actually, no need a hint. Why? Because just square it. This one is square it. This one is square it, and adding will get it. Which step ahead you're asking? Tan square theta, cos square theta. What is that? Yeah, that one sin square theta. The last step there was sin square theta by cos square theta into 1 minus cos square theta. Not cos square sin 1. Okay. Try this one. This is very simple. You
So-
just
So
find
is it
Hmm.
so is it A sin cos like sin theta minus
B
B-
cos theta. B
Okay,
cos
sir.
theta. Okay. First one, A equal to, sorry, M equal to A cos theta plus B sin theta. N equal to A sin theta minus B cos theta. Prove that M square plus N square equal to A square plus B square. Okay. Everybody got? Okay. So what you got here? Squaring this M square. A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2AB cos theta sin theta plus A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta minus 2AB sin theta cos theta. Okay, this is cancelled. Then A square cos square theta, A square sin square theta. That is A square into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus B square sin square theta, B square cos square theta, B square into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, what is that? This is 1, this is 1. So A square plus B square. So all got this.
Sorry, got.
So simple, you just find M square. You just find M square. M square is A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2AB sin theta cos theta plus A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta minus 2AB sin theta cos theta plus 2AB sin theta cos theta minus 2AB sin theta cos theta cancel. Then this one, A square cos square theta, A square sin square theta combine A square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. B square sin square theta and B square cos square combine B square into sin square theta plus cos square theta. So this is 1, here 1, then A square plus B square. Okay. So up to here you have to study because next class it will be more tough questions. Okay.